Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Okay, hope you are watching all my videos, the Playwright videos, and you are learning from the scratch. Okay, so I started with very basic, and I'm slowly moving towards a framework where we can create framework with page object model BDD and adding a test under class and GitHub, integration of Halil report and GitHub. Slowly, we are moving towards it. So, for before that, first let us complete all the basics, and then we can move forward. Okay. So now, in this video, we are going to learn how to handle a drop down, in the from the Playwright with JavaScript. Okay. If you see this Orange HRM 30-day free trial application, where there is a drop down called as country, how to handle it. All right, that is what we are going to see in this particular video. Okay, so now let me create a new file again. Okay, I will add drop down handling dot js means javascript. Okay, so now I did it. I'm just going to previous video, just various file. I'm going to copy some basic code. Okay, so instead of writing everything from newly, we'll do a smart one. Okay, hope you're all watching the previous videos right from the scratch, so that you can understand the very basics. Okay, so now I will start. Drop down handling. Let me paste it. Okay, now I'll just delete the steps which we don't want. Okay, now I deleted. So now the code is right. What we have, the default code is right. First is importing the chromium package from the Playwright. Okay, the basic thing, we need to launch the chromium, right? For that we need a chromium browser. For that we need a chromium package to be imported. That we do. Okay, the next line of code, we are using default async, which is there in Playwright, where for each task or operation which you are going to do perform actions. For that we need it to wait. For that we are using an async here. Okay, this we are doing from the very basic, from the very first video. Okay, now I'm just launching a chromium browser here with the headless state false. I'm using launch method, and I'm using headless false, so it's running in foreground. You can also write try in true, right, so it is going to it will write no, one minute. Let me add true here, so it will run in background. Okay, so we can play with whatever you want. Okay, next one is await browser dot new context is going to create a new chromium profile, separate session, for doing your operations. Okay, next one is it's going to create a new page, blank page, empty page, and for that application to launch. Now what application we are going to play is going to orange share free trial. I'm copying it, and with the help of go to method, I'm just going to navigate to the page, whatever page I'm going to handle it. Okay, so now we did until this navigate to the URL. Now let's write our logic here. Okay, so now we need to handle the drop down, right? For that, it's a very simple one line of code. Await page dot select. Okay, so there is one method called as select option. Okay, there we need to go and do it. Okay, so for that we need to locate it first. Let me locate it. So it forms the select tag, and we have an ID form get country. Okay, let's give select. Okay, since it's an ID, I'm giving an hash. Okay, now let me go here and copy the ID instead of writing it. I'm just copying it. So for ID, we need to give an hash, right? Then when it's denoted as ID in helper in the playwright. And we need to select the value in that line itself. We can add. So we can give curly bracket. There are three ways to handle the drop down. Same thing as we do in Selenium. Okay, first is value, and next one is label, and next one is indexed. Okay, so I'll first will try with value here, value, and I'll give colon, and right, let's take any one value. Let's take our own country, India. Okay, now let me give double quotes, India. Okay, now I'll close this one. Okay, now, okay, sorry. Okay, now I'll just write selected a value, then farm country. Let's save it and run just one line of code. Okay, note, sorry, let me go to terminal, node, okay, drop down, okay, handling .js. Okay, let me run it. So it's launching the URL now. Okay, and it need to select India. You can see it's selected India. Okay, I'm just going to close the browser now. Okay, you can see, right, it selected India. There are three ways of handling a drop down. One, we used value, and we can also use label here. For example, label. Okay, we'll try with a different one now. Let's see. Right, for example, okay, we'll try with right, Australia. Okay, Australia. Okay, spelling right. Okay. Now let's save it. We can try with label. Same thing which you are doing in the other automation too. Okay, like Selenium. Okay. So I'm just launching. It selected Australia, right? We can try with right, label also. Same thing we can try with index also. Okay. Let me go here. Okay. I'll delete this one. Index is right. It's taken from the right. So for example, right, always the index first will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now I'm just giving index 5. Okay. Let me save it. So we can try in all the three ways. Okay. So one is by value, one is by label, and next one is by index. Okay, it's selected, right? You can see it's selected by index also. Okay, so this is how we can handle drop down with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video.